Distance between 2 points. Let's say you have 2 points in space. They can have as many coordinates as possible. Here it is a two-dimensional space where they have x and y, but in a different scenario they can have x, y, and z coordinates, both of them. What is the distance formula? It is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So let's do it on C. At first, I'm gonna write a function that will give us the distance, double 2-point distance. It will get in the caller 3 variables. 2 are vectors. Each vector is the coordinates of each point. So double A, double B, and the length of the vectors, of each vector actually. They should be of the same length. Int I is equal to 0. This is for the looping between all the coordinates of the vector, of each vector. Actually, they are the same dimension, so we need to loop through 1. Double D, which is the distance, is initialized at 0 at first. For I equals 0, I less than len, which is the length of one of the vectors, I plus plus, D plus equal x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared plus z2 minus z1 squared. In other words, D plus equal the power of bi, first coordinate of the second vector, minus a of I, first coordinate of the first vector, and raised to the power of 2. Of course, at each iteration, it will jump to the next coordinate and do the same. Finally, after adding all of them, the new value of D is equal to the square root of D, which is the sum of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared plus z2 minus z1 squared. And return D. Let's go to main. I will declare 2 points. Points and vectors are interchangeable in this context. So double P1, that's the first point, is equal to 1, 2, and 3. Double P2 equals 0 to 1. Then the distance, double distance, is equal to 2-point distance, which is the function we just declared. The first point is P1, second point P2, and the length in this case is 3. Printf distance between P1, and here we're gonna place them dynamically. That's the first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, and P2, first, second, third, is the distance. And going to the next line. P1 0, P1 1, P1 2, P2 0, P2 1, P2 2, and distance. And this is the distance between these 2 points.